This tutorial shows you how to minimize distractions and boost your productivity in just a few steps. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Let me show you. From there, click on System on the left side menu. At this point, click on Focus to open the focus mode settings. In the next step, you'll see options to set a focus session duration. Click on the plus or minus buttons to choose how long you want your focus session to last. From there, scroll down and customize your focus settings. You can choose to hide badges on taskbar apps, hide flashing taskbar apps, turn off Do Not Disturb, and hide notifications during your session. At this stage, toggle on the options that suit your workflow. Let me show you. Turning off all distractions gives you the most focused experience. Following this, once everything is set up, click on Start Focus Session to begin. Once done, a focus timer will appear in your notification area, counting down your session. Notifications and distractions will be minimized for the duration. From here, you can also start a focus session quickly from the notification panel. Click on the clock or date at the bottom right of your taskbar to open it. At this stage, look for the focus section and click on Start to begin a session directly from there without going into settings. Here's an important note. Focus mode works great alongside the clock app. Windows will automatically open the clock app when you start a session, giving you a visual timer and the option to play focus music or nature sounds to help you concentrate. And that's it. If this guide helped you use focus mode on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.